angles. So multi-dimensional angles to analyze the story. The angle of nature, provider versus destroyer. Nature is initially depicted as benevolent provider. The rain is described through the metaphor of new coins. When Lenko asked for rain, the rains were coming, and it were considered as new coins. And many times in CBSE they have asked you questions regarding these coins and comparison of these coins. So please listen carefully. 10 cents and 5 cents pieces, because it ensures a profitable harvest. Are you understanding now? Means these rains were required for a good harvest of Lenko's crops. ठीक है, अगर ये बारिश नहीं होती तो लेंको की जो क्रॉप्स थे उनके हार्वेस्ट अच्छे नहीं होते. It was very much necessary for Lencho to have the good harvest. There should be a ample amount of rain. So these rains were considered to be new coins, क्योंकि इन पैसों के, इन 10 cents 5 cents छोटे छोटे ड्रॉप्स के वजह से क्या होगा, उसका जो खेती है, उसका जो हार्वेस्ट है वो बहुत प्रॉफिटेबल होगा. इट विल बी अ हेल्दी हार्वेस्ट और उसको बहुत पैसे मिलेंगे बिजनेस करके. हावेवर नेचर क्विकली शिफ्ट्स इनटू अ डिस्क्रिप्टिव फोर्स. कभी कभी नेचर डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी हो सकता है. सो ये जो रेनफॉल है उसका क्या हो जाता है, वो जस्ट शिफ्ट्स टू द हेल स्टोन्स. बिग स्टोन्स ऑफ आइस केम. यस, हेल स्टोन्स केम आफ्टर द रेन, ironically called frozen pearls, and they were called frozen मतलब जमे हुए pearls, मोतियों की तरह दिख रहे थे. Turn the field white. They covered everything in white, destroying the harvest of the field of Lenko as if it covered with the salt. It was looking like a white field which is covered with salt, leaving nothing. Okay, this highlights the vulnerability of human labor against natural whims. So this highlights how vulnerable, how prone of attack the human labor is. So don't be proud of your labor. Don't be so happy that you have done such a hard work that the result will be very good. Lenko was very happy. He was happy with his harvest. Everything was going okay. But we are very vulnerable because we don't know when the nature will change, right? And his hard labor was not able to be controlled against natural whims. Okay, the angel of irony, sorry, the angel, I'm calling it angel, the angle of irony, the helper as the villain. The story climax is built on a profound irony. Whole climax of the story was an irony, so it